Hi everyone. In this video, I'll compare Shopify with PlusBase and help you decide which one is better. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Shopify. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, offering customizable templates, payment integrations, and powerful inventory management. It's perfect for small to medium-sized businesses looking for ease of use and scalability. Now, let's look at PlusBase. PlusBase is also a powerful e-commerce platform that focuses on enterprise-level solutions. It provides advanced features like AI-driven analytics, custom checkout flows, and enhanced customer segmentation. If you're a small business owner looking for an easy-to-use platform, Shopify might be your best choice. However, if you're running a large enterprise with complex needs, PlusBase may be more suited to your requirements. And that's it. I hope this comparison helped you decide between Shopify and PlusBase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.